What's going on, everyone? I wanted to show this ABC mat file that I had. I purchased this on Etsy last year. I did this, it was just a couple of dollars or whatever. I made these for my child, the classroom, for Christmas last year, and I wanted to do it again this year. My child's in a special class setting where she only has a few students, so um, making five is feasible. For a little, preschool and then kindergarten. So I bought these mats, chopping mats. Let me get the package so you can see. These are from the dollar store. Let's see. The chopping mats, and they come 2 in a pack. And so all I'm doing them is, I got this, like I said, I got this file off of Etsy for a couple bucks. And then I'm just editing it with the student's name in there. Like I said, I only have to make a few of these. And taking my mat and, let me see if I can, taking my mat, and when I put it on there, there is a rougher side and then a smoother side of the chopping mat. So I obviously want to cut, it's not going to actually cut through it, just put it on a cut setting, of course, to like etch into the mat. So I'm going to etch it on the rougher side of the mat, and then the smoother side I'm actually going to stick on the mat. That way when I'm done, I can flip it over, and the smoother side, the child can write on and wipe off. And I made one for my daughter, of course, already. So let's see. Okay, can't get my camera working today, so I zoomed back out. This is the mat and how it functions. Like I said, it's etched on the rougher side, and then this is the smoother side. So I just need to look like a little bit of glue or something, adhesive for the mat. I just cleaned that off. But I just need to, you would just, take your dry erase marker, if you haven't seen these, and you can practice on there and wipe it off again. And then I made them custom to where the names are on there. And like I said, it's a small classroom, so that's really feasible in doing that. But I just wanted to show how I'm going to package these up for the kiddos, and make a little Christmas card along with it to give to the students. And then also I just wanted to show the teacher gifts. I normally like to give out gift cards. I don't know too many people that don't like to go to Target, or if they don't like Target, then of course they can pass it along to someone in the family. So that's what I always give. And I just wanted to show the cards that I picked up for that. Normally I like to hand make my cards, even if it's a kit. So I am late on my actual Christmas cards getting out this year. But I picked these up from Michael's, the Holiday Romance. I thought that these were cute. Of course, I'm a bling and pink girl, so I always like a little pink. That's the little difference, that I like, and people kind of know that that's my signature pink, like I said, for friends and family. And then for the teachers, I picked up the Slimline card kit, and I thought that these were some cute cards. Like I said, she's in a classroom where there's several teacher per student, so there's several teachers in there. So I thought this was a cute kit, and I'll just show the finished at the end, as I show the finish, how I wrapped up the little whiteboards. And then I thought these were cute for the kids. They look kind of, you know, whimsical kind of for kids there. Looks like you can, you know, do that. And so I picked this up, and like these were super 60 whatever percent, and that, you know, I got extra or whatever, so these were super cheap. So those were the kits I want to show, and then I'm going to just show how I package all those up at the end. Okay, I'm back to do a card review and also show the results of the Christmas gifts that I made for my child's classroom. So with the cards, first of all, the teacher cards, I love the ideal and thought of them, but would I do them again? Probably not. These ones right here, they turned out really good, but these are really kind of flimsy. So, you know, the first two right here, they showed pretty good, but these, there's kind of wavering in them, and you know, even with the pop dots alone, it's just not, you know, a good quality, I would say, card. You know, but they're very cute, and you know, they're light as far as, you know, packaging up and everything. So it's not like that I'm not going to go ahead and turn them in, because they're really cute. But as far as me, you know, loving cards, would I, you know, do them again? I don't know. I would just like them to be a little bit more heavier weight for the card. But they're very cute, and the little instructions that came to them were very, you know, easy. You can always add your own spin, but I wanted to do them like they said, and they turned out really cute. So these will be cute for the teachers. And then I have the little pocket here to put the gift cards, and I already have them, and all I'm going to do is getting ready to package them up so they're ready to go. And then the kid ones, I would rate them better, because they're a little bit more, the card weight itself is kind of lightweight like that, but it doesn't need to be too heavy, because this front part is already kind of heavy with, you know, this part on front. And then this is just too cute. You know, everything turned out really well and easy to do. And there was two fronts. There was the tree there, and then the stocking there. And it was just, you know, I just like these better. But they're both really cute kits. I would just prefer this to be a little bit more heavyweight. So that is how they turned out. I'm just going to go ahead and package those up. And those are done. And then, like I said, put gift cards in them. And then I just wanted to show how the gifts turned out for the kids. I'm packaging them up now. And what I did was just put some chipboard together and have it long enough, so I glued it under the bottom, and then it's just chipboard, so I wrapped it with wrapping paper, and then of course I put my tag on the back, and then I did the name right here, and then glued a clip on there, and then the whiteboard that I told you that I had the template for. And then they have their name that they can practice on. And then all I'm doing is taking the marker and then tying it with ribbon, and then attaching one of the cards to it. And just to make sure this is going, you know, a little ways, it's going to, and also I'm going to secure that. I forgot to put that on there with, you know, so it won't scratch up that part. So I just cut out a little piece of paper. But just to show how that's packaged up, I used some Glad press and seal, and it, you know, covered right around, so I just wrapped that around and everything is in there. We got the ribbon, the green tag on the bottom, got the marker here, the ribbon, the card for the student, and then they've got a little thing with their name on it. And so I just thought that these were a cute packaging here. I'm all about, you know, trying to make packaging cute, and then you know, just a good idea, something that the kids can practice on, and it's educational gift, because I know they'll probably be getting, you know, candy or whatever from the party, or maybe from someone else, but this is a nice little educational gift. So I hope you like it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel, and see you later, Craftinista.